Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start. Question number 1. Closet rings shall be tightly fastened up to the floor with top surface blank above finish floor. Letter A, 6.4 mm. Letter B, 12.7 mm. Letter C, 19.1 mm. Letter D, 25.4 mm. The answer is Letter A, 6.4 mm. Question number 2. A tank located above or integral with water closet, urinal or similar fixtures for flushing or removing excrements in the fixture. Letter A, flush tank. Letter B, pressurized tank. Letter C, flushometer tank. Letter D, atmospheric tank. The answer is Letter A, flush tank. Question number 3. The minimum size of any pump discharge or any discharge pipe from a sump having a water closet connected thereto shall not be less than blank. Letter A, 25.4 mm. Letter B, 50.8 mm. Letter C, 76.2 mm. Letter D, 63.5 mm. The answer is Letter B, 50.8 mm. Question number 4. Building drain or building sewer receiving discharge from any pump or ejector shall be adequately sized to prevent overloading. The total number of fixture units allowed for each 0.063 liters per second of flow is blank. Letter A, 1 fixture unit. Letter B, 2 fixture units. Letter C, 3 fixture units. Letter D, 4 fixture units. The answer is Letter B, 2 fixture units. Question number 5. The return bend used under the drain board shall be a one-piece fitting or an assembly of blank. Letter A, 30-degree elbows. Letter B, 45-degree elbows. Letter C, 60-degree elbows. Letter D, combination Y and 1/8 bend. The answer is Letter B, 45-degree elbows. Question number 6. No drum trap shall be installed with a vent. Letter A, true. Letter B, false. Letter C, sometimes. Letter D, if approved by the administrative authority. The answer is Letter B, false. Question number 7. When subject to reverse flow of sewage or liquid waste, floor drains shall be equipped with an approved blank. Letter A, check valve. Letter B, atmospheric vacuum breaker. Letter C, receptor. Letter D, backwater valve. The answer is Letter D, backwater valve. Question number 8. The following are considered suds-producing fixtures, except blank. Letter A, washing machine standpipes. Letter B, bathtubs. Letter C, kitchen sinks. Letter D, drinking fountains. The answer is Letter D, drinking fountains. Question number 9. It consists of 2 independently acting internally or externally loaded check valves, for properly located test cocks with connectors and 2 isolation gate valves. Letter A, atmospheric vacuum breaker. Letter B, double check valve backflow prevention assembly. Letter C, pressure vacuum breaker backflow prevention assembly. Letter D, reduced pressure principal backflow prevention assembly. The answer is letter B, double check valve backflow prevention assembly. Question number 10. It consists of two independently acting internally loaded check valves, a differential pressure relief valve, for properly located test cocks, and two isolation gate valves. Letter A, spill-proof pressure type vacuum breaker. Letter B, double check valve backflow prevention assembly. Letter C, pressure vacuum breaker backflow prevention assembly. Letter D, reduced pressure principal backflow prevention assembly. The answer is letter D, reduced pressure principal backflow prevention assembly. Question number 11. Each outlet on the non-potable water line, which may be used for drinking or domestic purposes, shall be posted, blank. Letter A, danger. Non-potable water. Letter B, warning. Unsafe water. Letter C, warning. Poisonous water. Letter D, danger. Unsafe water. The answer is letter D, danger. Unsafe water. Question number 12. SDR is a method of rating a pipe's durability against pressure. The SDR describes the correlation between the pipe dimension and the thickness of the pipe wall. What does SDR mean in the plumbing code? Letter A, standard dimension rate. Letter B, standard dimension ratio. Letter C, specific dimension ratio. Letter D, specific dimension rate. The answer is letter B, standard dimension ratio. Question number 13. Rooms adjacent and open to the space where the appliance is installed, through openings not furnished with doors, are considered a part of the unconfined space. Letter A, true. Letter B, false. Letter C, sometimes. Letter D, if approved by the master plumber. The answer is letter A, true. Question number 14. A pipe connecting upward from a soil or waste stack below the floor and below the horizontal connection to an adjacent vent stack at a point above the floor and higher than the highest spill level of fixtures for preventing pressure changes in the stacks. Letter A, relief vent. Letter B, back vent. Letter C, looped vent. Letter D, yoke vent. The answer is letter D, yoke vent. Question number 15. It may be used only when installed in a true vertical position. Letter A, 30-degree branches or offsets. Letter B, 45-degree branches or offsets. Letter C, 60-degree branches or offsets. Letter D, combination Y and 1/8 bend branches. The answer is letter C, 60-degree branches or offsets. Question number 16. All water service yard piping shall be at least blank below the finished ground level. Letter A, 0.30 meter. Letter B, 0.45 meter. Letter C, 0.60 meter. Letter D, 0.75 meter. The answer is letter A, 0.30 meter. Question number 17. Water closets shall be computed as blank when determining septic tank size, based on RNPCP. Letter A, 2 fixture units. Letter B, 4 fixture units. Letter C, 6 fixture units. Letter D, 8 fixture units. The answer is letter C, 6 fixture units. Question number 18. The following are considered in determining the size of grease interceptor, except blank. Letter A, number of meals per peak hour. Letter B, water flow rate. Letter C, retention times. Letter D, 8 storage factor. The answer is letter B, water flow rate. Question number 19. The minimum length of the inlet compartment of a septic tank. Letter A, 0.9 meter. Letter B, 1.5 meters. Letter C, 3.7 meters. Letter D, 2.2 meters. The answer is letter B, 1.5 meters. Question number 20. Each seepage pit shall be circular in shape and shall have an excavated diameter of not less than blank. Letter A, 0.9 meter. Letter B, 1.5 meters. Letter C, 3.7 meters. Letter D, 2.2 meters. The answer is letter D, 2.2 meters. Question number 21. Minimum horizontal distance of trees from septic tanks, seepage pits, or cesspools. Letter A, 2.4 meters. Letter B, 3.0 meters. Letter C, 3.7 meters. Letter D, 1.5 meters. The answer is letter B, 3.0 meters. Question number 22. Total number of water closets for 200 females in an assembly places for public use. Letter A, 3 water closets. Letter B, 4 water closets. Letter C, 8 water closets. Letter D, 11 water closets. The answer is letter C, 8 water closets. Question number 23. Total number of water closets for 36 females in an assembly places for employee use. Letter A, 3 water closets. Letter B, 4 water closets. Letter C, 8 water closets. Letter D, 11 water closets. The answer is letter C, 4 water closets. Question number 24. Plumbing took a great leap at the turn of the blank with the arrival of the American soldiers, engineers, Thomsite teachers, doctors, and evangelists. Letter A, 17th century. Letter B, 18th century. Letter C, 19th century. Letter D, 20th century. The answer is letter D, 20th century. Question number 25. All premises intended for human habitation, occupancy, or use shall be provided with a supply of blank and blank water, neither connected with unsafe water supplies nor subject to hazards of backflow or backsiphonage. Letter A, pure, adequate. Letter B, clear, potable. Letter C, clear, wholesome. Letter D, pure, wholesome. The answer is letter D, pure, wholesome. And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck, future master plumbers.